Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, today I'm in the Fairview Park. I just saw two dogs. I just need to ask the man. Oh, sorry. Can I make video of your dogs?
Sure.
I will post it on YouTube.
Yeah, that's fine. Evie, come here.
So friends, which breed is it?
It's the Labrador Collie Cross. And
So friends, it's a Labrador Collie Cross. And this one is a Collie.
Yeah. Here he is. Come here.
They are very beautiful. Will she bite?
No, she's very friendly.
Okay. Hello, you.
You can pet her if you'd like it.
Will this one bite?
No.
So they are very
Very
cute,
cute.
friends. They are very cute, too. So, friends, this one is a Collie, and this one is a Collie Cross Labrador. So, friends, now I'm walking. If I see more dogs, I will show you. So, friends, I just see a small doggy. So, guys, the dog was a little bit aggressive, so I didn't shoot the dog. I shoot the video of the dog. So the dog was very cute, but he was aggressive a little bit. Because of this, I'm just walking. So guys, maybe I'm going to near a dog. I guess I can get dogs. Beautiful dogs. I found a Dachshund. I need to run because there's a Maltese going. Bye. Well, friends, this one is a Bichon mix. So this dog also is very beautiful, very cute. Will he bite?
No.
Hello. So friends, look at the dog. So, what age is he?
He's 12 months.
This dog is 12 months. He's a very cute dog.
Thank you. His name's Teddy.
His name is Teddy. Teddy! Teddy! So friends, now I'm going to search another dog for you. So friends, this is a Jack Russell. Very cute dog.
Thank you.
Come on, come on, come on.
Go up to the bike.
Come on.
Baby, go over.
So friends, this is a dog. It's a Jack Russell.
Jack Russell miniature.
Jack Russell miniature.
He must be 8
What age is he?
5 months.
So friends, he's 5 months.
He's a YouTuber.
So friends, this is a Dachshund.
Yeah.
Same as mine.
He's a puppy.
He's a puppy. With
The standard one. So he was not the shortest.
Does he go into shows? Does your dog go in dog shows?
No.
So friends, this dog,
Should I?
yeah, because this dog is very cute.
That's one on this Sunday, I guess, in Marley Park.
Yeah.
I wanted to go. My husband didn't want to.
Why?
Not sure.
This dog is very cute. You must go in a dog show, you. Oh, what's his name?
Paddy.
Paddy. Hello. So friends, this is Paddy, a Dachshund. Very cute dog. A long tail.
Love that. What's my kid? She loves YouTube. So you have your own channel?
Hmm?
You have your own channel on YouTube?
Yeah,
Wow. Then you have to tell me what's the name.
the name. Okay. So friends, this is a beautiful Dachshund. Extended quality. So Friends, I show you more dogs. So friends, this is a French Bulldog. His name is Blue. And he's very cute dog. Look at this. Small tail. Hello. So friends, here is a dog. What age is she?
Only pup.
What age?
I don't own them.
So friends, they own, I don't know the age. So probably this is the 5th dog I'm showing you in this video. I will search more dogs for you. So wait, friends. So friends, look at these seagulls. Hang so like up. You just can't get them. So they're very cute. So oh wait, friends, I just show you one more French Bulldog in a few minutes. Like, it's for this lady, but the French Bulldog is gone to a shop, so wait. Friends, this is a beautiful golden retriever. What age is he?
14 months.
So friends, he's 13 months. So he's a very cute dog. Come on. Wait. So friends, I'm here. Here's a golden retriever. Friends.
Gonna make his next
So friends, this is a beautiful dog. Which breed?
Lucky. Is her name.
His name is Lucky, and
And our breed is Cockapoo.
so friends, this dog is a cockapoo. So he's very cute. Doggy. What age is he? What age is he?
She's 6.
So friends, she is 6 years old. So friends, let's search another dog. So friends, this is a Labrador. She looks old. What age is she?
She's 9. She's actually dirty because she had a swim in the sea, so she is covered in sand and salt as well.
So friends, she's 9. She's a little bit dirty because she got a swim in the sea. So she's a very cute dog. Oh, thank you.
No problem.
This is a Vizsla. And the other one?
She's a border terrier.
So friends, this is a border terrier. What age are they?
She's 4.
So she's 4. So friends, she's 4, and
He's 1.5.
so friends, this one is 1.5. They're very cute dogs. So let's search more dogs. This is Pongo, is a Dalmatian.
Yeah.
And which breed is this?
He's a Pug Shih Tzu.
He's a Pug Shih Tzu. So they are very cute. And look at this one. I don't want to approach the dog.
No,
Like
he's okay.
small dogs.
He's okay. They're very friendly.
And look at this one, beautiful dog. This is a Dalmatian, a rare breed. Like, this is the first time I saw that in the Fairview Park. Come on. So friends, the Dalmatian is going and the Pug Shih Tzu also is going. So let's search more dogs. And this one also is a French Bulldog.
Yeah.
What age is she?
9 weeks.
She's 9 weeks. And the other one? So this one is 1 year. They're very cute, friends. Oh no! Small one is going. So friends, look at the color. Very, very beautiful color. So this one also is a female French Bulldog. The other one also is a female French Bulldog. So friends, let's search more dogs for you.